Hey everyone, it's Ryan. Today, I'm thrilled to walk you through how to unlock any carrier lock in just a few minutes. You know those frustrating SIM locks that prevent you from switching networks or using a different SIM card? We're going to handle those together. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple methods to remove these locks. Whether you're using Android or iOS, these techniques work for any carrier, across countries and brands. So if you're feeling restricted by your current network, stay tuned. I'm about to show you how to set yourself free. Let's jump in. Quick reminder, this guide is intended for responsible use only. It's meant for individuals who own their device and want to switch carriers. We don't support or encourage any illegal actions, such as unlocking stolen devices. Please respect the law and others' rights. Our video is fully compliant with YouTube's guidelines and community standards. With that, let's get into it. Just so you know, the unlock services we're discussing are primarily available in first world countries. If these services aren't accessible in your area, or if you prefer not to use them, we're also offering 250 free unlocks every week for our viewers. To participate, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment with your device model, IMEI number, and country. Once you complete these steps, you'll be automatically entered. To use Carrier Switcher, follow these steps. First, visit the online Carrier Unlocker app by going to carrierswitcher.com and clicking the green button. Start by entering your name and email to link the order to you. Make sure to provide a valid email since you'll receive a confirmation code. Next, select your device's manufacturer, such as Samsung or Apple. Then, enter the IMEI of your device. To find the IMEI on most phones, dial *#06# on your phone's keypad or check the About Phone section in your settings. Confirm that you agree to the terms of service and are not unlocking a stolen device. Click Continue to finish the process. Your unlock is now ready, and we've sent a confirmation email to you. The email will have instructions and an access key. Use this key to start your order, and you can reuse it as many times as you'd like for unlimited unlocks. For more detailed steps on using the access key, follow the instructions on the page. There are also several ethical and legal ways to remove a carrier lock from your phone. One option is to contact your carrier directly. Most carriers will unlock your phone if you meet their criteria, such as having an account in good standing or completing your contract term. You can check the specific unlocking policies on your carrier's website. Another approach is to use third-party unlocking services. These typically require your phone's IMEI number and a few details. Be sure to choose a reputable service with positive reviews to ensure the process is secure and legitimate. You can also try unlocking software. This can be downloaded and installed on your phone or computer. Follow the instructions provided by the software carefully. Remember, not all unlocking software is safe, so research thoroughly before using any. Joining online communities and forums can also offer additional help and guidance. Many users share their experiences and step-by-step instructions for unlocking different phone models. These communities can be a valuable resource, offering tips and advice from others who have successfully unlocked their phones. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below if it worked for you or if you have any questions. We're here to help.